Mr. Nishikant Ahire, an engineer, ventured into manufacturing of precision engineering components way back in 1982 at Nashik. He is chairman and managing director of AMT Group of Companies, which is now reckoned to be a matter of pride on the industrial map of Nashik. With 3 manufacturing units, 3 international collaborations, and 6 marketing tie-ups with German companies, AMT Group manufactures and exports machine tools and accessories to United States of America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. The group commands a very respectable market share in India too. More than 250 qualified, skilled, and dedicated employees are the strength of AMT Group today. AMT Group follows mantra of continuous improvement and skill enhancement while being conscious of its corporate social responsibility. Mr. Nishikant Ahire, with his vast experience as an entrepreneur, had realized gaps between attained level of educational qualifications by the candidates and job expectations across the industry. His interactions with the industry and the corporate world proved this point. He, along with his like-minded friends and associates, decided to set up an institution to facilitate the youth, enhance their knowledge and skills to be employment ready with an edge over others. Employees at different levels in the industry and business also need skill enhancement for better career prospects and growth. His desire, vision, and dream to create a platform for the youth towards skill enhancement and preparing new entrepreneurs, may it be in the field of engineering, commerce, IT, management, etc., were realized, and AMT Skill Enhancement Institute was born.
AMT Skill Enhancement Institute was born. AMT Skill Enhancement Institute has developed state-of-the-art skill enhancement courses as per NSQF with specific focus on development of youth in all educational streams, with finishing school concept encompassing not only hard skills but competency development, communication, and personality development. A very specialized program in industrial automation to upskill engineers to effectively deploy CNC, SCADA, robotics system is covered under Certified Automation Engineers program. Usage of IT is improving productivity of conventional engineering fields like mechanical, electrical, and civil. A hands-on training course on modern software systems like CATIA, ePlan, CAM, etc. is also provided. Today's world is the world of gadgets and apps. Our collaboration with Computer Society of India enables us to provide trainings in Google Apps, MS Office to support Digital India. Our trainers are not only qualified but are experts in their respective fields and have delivered trainings at international forums.
Realizing the need to enhance the skills, employability, and the entrepreneurship among the youth, we have been deliberating for a long time to establish an Skill Enhancement Institute for the youth. Moving forward with the national call of Skill India, Digital India, Make in India, we were discussing with among the friends, among the industrialists, MNCs, corporates, the need of such type of skilling institute, and the concept of AMT skill enhancement came into reality. The vision behind this concept is to create a platform for the youth and working professionals to enhance their knowledge and sharpen their skills to face the challenges of tomorrow and contribute to the society by promoting entrepreneurship among them. We are confident AMT Skill Enhancement Institute will deliver the goods. Thank you.